This video is how to make amazing fonts so that you're not limited to just a few in your web pages. So to teach you this, I'm going to go to my wonderful, amazing project. I'm being sarcastic. I haven't. My wonderful, amazing project just looks like this. And I'm waiting for it to appear. As you saw, the font changed so that it could pull up Google Fonts so it could understand where to go. Okay, so this is two different fonts that I've used here. One of them is Sunshiny, this one here, and the other one is the cursive-y cool one, which is called Great Vibes. To put these fonts, or lots of different fonts, in your project, what you'll do is you're going to click on this link here to fonts.google.com. Now, these fonts are the exact same fonts, by the way, that Google uses. So when you're creating a Google document and you have this list of amazing fonts that you would like to use, or if you want to get other fonts, you can always go to more fonts. So all of the fonts here are ones that you can put in your website. Sometimes it helps to see what they look like. These are fonts that I've already liked from the past here. Ooh, Opinion Script is kind of cool for a wedding invitation. Maybe it's a Christmas party that I'm going to do maybe Mountains of Christmas could be a cool one. All right, so once you have an idea of what font you want to use, I'm going to show you how to make that happen. This one's kind of a cool one, Animatic. So, party invitation, and if I make that super large, anyways, so that's pretty cool. It's called Emotic SC. So to use that, let me edit out a couple things here. So to use these, it's not good enough to just put font family and name your font. So because if you just put font family and name your font, your browser doesn't understand that font. It doesn't know what Sunshiny means. So you have to do more than just font family and name your font. So to do that, you have to do just one extra step. But this is the first step. And as you see, my browser doesn't know my font, so it reverts to my second choice, which is cursive, which is why both of these are cursive now. Let me bring it back to where it was before. What you've got to do to code your font so your browser actually understands what Sunshiny means and what this means is you have to get a certain code, which you can find in Google Fonts. So I told you before that this time I'm going to use this cool font called Emotic SC. So I already know the name of my font. If I don't know, I can always just search through these, but there's like thousands of fonts. So I'm just going to go up here with a name. You could use this one or a different one. And here's the font that I want to use. Pretty cool. And once I get there, you're going to click this plus button here. And then you're going to open up here to get the code that you need for your web page. Now this part here is what you've learned how to do in CSS. So I'm going to just copy this, and I'm going to change my H1 to this font family. As you see, it definitely changed. Oh, I see why. I was like, why doesn't it even cursive? It's because I have font family twice. So it changed to just cursive, which is my second choice. Now, if I had this like serif, that would be my second choice. So right now it's just changing to my second choice because it doesn't understand what Emotic SC means. So now I've got to teach it. How do I do that? I use this code. This will tell your browser, hey, this font is located at this website at Google. Go here and you'll know what to do. So I'm going to copy this code. And this is HTML, so you do not put it inside your style tag. How do I know it's HTML? Because it has this bracket. CSS has curly brackets. This one has the greater than and less than signs. Okay, so I have copied this. I'm going to go to my code, and up here at the top, not the very top, you have to make it go underneath your head, above your style tag. Just go ahead and paste that code in. And now my browser knows where that font is located. So once it sees it here, it immediately goes to Google and gets the font. If I want to change the size, of course, 170. So you can play around and make things the perfect size for you. But yeah, this is how to change fonts. I hope you are able to make very, very, very creative projects, or more creative projects because of that.